on this assignment, you would hit submit, go to text entry, then go to the three little buttons, which means more, and right here you see a little plug. That's the connect, to connect to apps, and you will choose Adobe Spark. Then it will connect. I'm already signed into Adobe Creative Cloud. What I'd like for you guys to do is to walk through those steps, sign in, authorize the app, and then let me know if yours connected all the way through and you were able to use Spark. You should be signing in with your nv.ccsd.net email address, and that will get you into Spark. You use your AD login password, or just like you're signing into Google. Mine, for some reason, just doesn't like life, so it keeps recycling. And it does not seem to want to connect. Please report back ASAP, and then we will try to see if it's just me that's having an issue or if the rest of you guys are in the same boat. Thank you.